Hey there. Welcome to the first episode of Programmatic Magic. I'm Nick Pauley, and today I'm going to show you how to use automation to create content, assign tasks into project management software, create automatic CRM updates, and countless other applications. The purpose of today's video is to lay the foundation for you to understand programmatic automation from a fundamental level. So let's dive in. So what does programmatic even mean? Think of it as a simple equation. You take a spreadsheet or database, and then you apply mapping rules that tell that data where to go, essentially. So you feed it into whatever platform you link up to your automation tool. And then instead of manually copying and pasting information from spreadsheets into websites, emails, ads, etc., you can create a system that does it for you, not just once, but continuously over and over at scale. At its core, programmatic just means data-driven automation, using structured data to automatically perform tasks that would otherwise require manual effort. So let's compare the traditional approach with the programmatic way. In the traditional method, if you wanted to create 100 location pages for your business, you'd need to manually create each page, write unique content, and write metadata, upload images, etc. You're looking at weeks of work, even for a small team. The programmatic approach, you create one template, fill a spreadsheet with your data, map the fields correctly, and press go. Those same 100 pages could be created instantly instead of in weeks. And the real magic is when you need to update information across all of those pages, and you have one source to update your data and have it automatically update within your end output. The heart of any programmatic system is proper data mapping. This is simply the process of connecting columns in your data source to specific fields in your target system. Here you can see how each column in our spreadsheet corresponds to a particular field in a content management system. The title column maps to the page title field. Post body maps to the post body field, and etc., etc. This mapping creates the rules that tell your automation exactly what to do with each piece of that data. So you can see here, this is an actual example from one of the blogging spreadsheets that I have an automation set up on. So it says related long tail keywords to turn into a blog. So you can just go and essentially get a scraped list of keywords that are relevant to whatever search term you're trying to rank for. And these will be actual questions that people are querying into Google. So if you just literally type into Google long tail keywords for, if you're a carpenter, for carpentry, or for hairdressers, or for XYZ. So I have this set up to where the related long tail keyword, the name, goes to an API call to Claude, which then generates a small title. The post body is also then generated by the LLM based on a prompt that I have set up within TaskMagic, which is the automation system that I use rather than Zapier. A lot of people use Zapier. I'm not sure how it's actually supposed to be pronounced. I would assume Zapier since they're called Zaps. But anyways, when properly mapped, one spreadsheet can populate hundreds or thousands of pages while you chill on a beach. So programmatic SEO isn't new. It's been around for years, but the approach has evolved significantly. In the early days, it was often used to create very thin content pages that targeted different keywords but provided little value. Sites would generate thousands of nearly identical pages with just the location or keyword swapped out. This worked briefly, but as search engines got smarter, these tactics became less effective and could even lead to penalties. Today's programmatic SEO is all about quality at scale. It combines structured data with sophisticated templates and LLMs with schema to create high-value content at scale. So modern systems pull from multiple data sources, use advanced templates with conditional logic, incorporate APIs for real-time information, and leverage AI to create natural language variations. All of this is delivered with proper schema markup language in JSON format, or you can do it how I did it manually in TaskMagic for that example that I showed before. The result, content that ranks well, serves users, and drives real business results So one of the biggest opportunities with programmatic approaches is in SEO. While everyone is fighting over the same high competition keywords, programmatic SEO lets you find the long tail keywords and regenerate content based on those long tail keywords at scale. So this was mainly focused on SEO today, but there's a plethora of other ways that you can use this technique. I use it for ClickUp, for using project management tasks, creating tasks in a spreadsheet and then automating it so where they just fill in the fields and then I can assign them to team members once they're in ClickUp. I use it for all kinds of shit. Email, follow-ups, CRM. Whether you're in e-commerce, content marketing, lead generation, or virtually any other digital business, these techniques can completely transform your efficiency and results. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my hat. Okay, anyways, in the next video, we'll dive deeper into schema structuring and how to use it to speak the secret language of search engines. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you found this valuable, give it a like, drop a comment letting me know what specific programmatic challenges you're facing in your business, and I'll get back to you with hopefully another video. I'll make one specifically for you, boo. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Programmatic Magic.